Understanding Leaderboard Rankings, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language that is widely used in both gaming and competitive environments. We're going to explore the meaning of leaderboard rankings. Whether you're a gamer, sports enthusiast, or just curious about English phrases, this video will shed light on this interesting topic. Let's get started and unravel the mystery behind leaderboard rankings. At its core, the term leaderboard rankings refers to a list or table that displays the names or identifiers of participants in a competition, sorted by their success, achievements, or score. The purpose of a leaderboard is to provide a visual representation of where participants stand in relation to one another within a competitive setting. This could be in video games, online challenges, sports, educational achievements, or any other competitive field. Leaderboards are dynamic, meaning they can change frequently as new scores or achievements are recorded. This aspect makes them both exciting and motivational, as participants strive to improve their standing by outperforming others. A leaderboard usually comprises several key components. Participants' names or identifiers. This could be real names, usernames, team names, or any identifier that represents the participants. Scores or points. This column shows the numerical value that determines the ranking of each participant. It can represent points, time, earnings, or any other metric of success. Ranking numbers. These are the positions that participants hold on the leaderboard, usually starting with 1 for the top position. The ranking shows the competitive standing of each participant relative to the others. Date or time frame. Many leaderboards are associated with a specific time frame, indicating when the competition starts and ends. Leaderboard rankings play a crucial role in competitive environments by motivating participants. The desire to see one's name move up the rankings can drive individuals to improve their performance. Fostering competition. Leaderboards create a competitive atmosphere that encourages participants to engage more deeply with the activity. Tracking progress. For ongoing competitions, leaderboards provide a way for participants to track their progress over time. Building community. In many cases, leaderboards help build a sense of community among participants, as they can see how they fare against others and engage in friendly competition. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept of leaderboard rankings and why they are so prevalent in various competitive fields. Remember, leaderboards are not just about competition. They're also about self-improvement, motivation, and community building. Whether you're participating in a competition or just following one as a spectator, leaderboards offer a clear and exciting way to see where everyone stands. Thank you for watching, and keep striving to climb those rankings in whatever challenges you face.